Hello, I'm Miss G. Welcome to See You in Class. A word a day. Jeopardy. The word jeopardy is a noun, which means it's a thing, an object, or an idea. If something is in jeopardy, it is in danger of not working out as planned. Here are some examples of the word jeopardy in sentences. The rain puts our plans for the park in jeopardy. In mystery novels, the character's safety is always in jeopardy. The harvest was in jeopardy. What did you notice about the tenses of those sentences? Challenge. Think of something that might put one of your plans in jeopardy. Leave a comment using the word jeopardy in a sentence below. Use the word jeopardy at least 3 times today. See you next time. Bye.